Doordash on, see what we get first. I got my other phone right here. I'm ready to go. We jamming. We multi-apping today, guys. Go ahead, turn on Uber Eats right there. Got Doordash going here, Uber Eats on the other. Had them on for about 6 minutes. Now I'm expecting to get an order on one of these apps. Looks like we're gonna be getting this Walmart order. $28.27, 7.9 miles, 3 stops. I'll take that as a first order. We got about 30 minutes until that one's gonna be ready for pickup. So what I plan on doing is try to find me something on food delivery. So I'm gonna head down this way. I knew I was gonna get something on one of those apps by the time I made it over here. Now, I'm glad it was a Walmart order. I probably could go ahead and even stop at Sam's Club and grab some gas if I wanted to. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get me at least an order or two on food delivery first, if I can. Still kind of early. What's that? $13 for 12.3 miles. Now that's an order I cannot take right there because first of all, I'm probably gonna be like late for my Walmart pickup if I were to take an order like that. And then the miles to money ratio just ain't there for me. So far, no orders on Uber Eats. One order right here on Doordash, $13 for 12 miles. It's like a 24-mile round trip. I wouldn't even take that order any time but day, so I'm definitely not gonna chance it and be late to my Walmart Spark order. But we right here, we buy crazy bowls and wraps. I'm actually sitting in Panera parking lot. And we got a few merchants over here. I may get lucky and get like a little McDonald's order or Crazy Bowls or Panera. Just one quick order to knock out before I head over to Walmart. That'll be a nice way to guarantee that I get at least 30 bucks for this hour. Now, even if I only do that Walmart order, that's still 28 bucks. And that's still a great hour. Seeing that I got 30 minutes, I think that's more than enough time to really get 2 orders done, but I'll be okay with just getting one. It's just gonna have to be the right order though. I'm not settling for anything that I would normally take. It has to be an order that meets my parameters. Got something coming in right there. $5 for 2.7 miles on Uber Eats. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that order right there.
Head to your pickup at Taco Bell 1710 Troy Road.
Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch that because that's five bucks for 2 miles. Taco Bell's right across the street, and this is gonna guarantee me being over $30 an hour for this first hour. So I think that's a good decision to go ahead and head over there. Normally, if I'm really fishing for a good food delivery order, normally I won't even take a $5 order coming out of Taco Bell. I really don't even like picking up at this Taco Bell. But for this situation, I think it'll be a great order because even if I have to wait 5 or 10 minutes for this Taco Bell order, which would be horrible, I'm okay with that because that's gonna put me closer to the time it is to pick up my Walmart Spark order, and I won't be losing out on anything because I was gonna be sitting here waiting for an order anyways. So this me going across the street and waiting is okay. Get that $5 and it's a possibility I can
turn right on Edwardsville Crossing.
I would definitely turn right. Let me go ahead and turn the volume down on this because we ain't got time for none of that. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely grab this one, and now this sets me up to where I'm in the Uber Eats algorithm now, right? So all these algorithms work a little bit differently, but they all kind of work the same to an extent. Because I've noticed that no matter which app I use, they kind of like just test you out until you accept the order, right? So Walmart sent me that good order first, luckily, and I was able to accept it. But let's just say they would have sent me a bad order. If I would have had to decline it, which I have no problem doing, it may have been a situation where if it's not a lot of orders, they won't even send you nothing else, right? The apps do that sometimes. So I'm happy that I'm now in the Uber algorithm for the day, and I can get out here and get some orders throughout the day. Even if I stop and go home and take a break, now that I'm in the algorithm, I'm gonna be good. I like to go ahead and pause it. Once I get to a merchant like Taco Bell and I'm not sure if they're gonna have it ready, I like to go ahead and pause Doordash, okay? So as you can see here, we got our Dasher app paused. I'm gonna keep that paused until I get really close to the drop off on this Taco Bell order. And the reason is because Doordash may send me a good order. They just might. And I don't wanna be in a situation where I have to decline that good order or I accept it and then, I'm dropping off my Uber order. So there's a possibility I could be late. I just go ahead and pause that real quick, keep it easy. That way I can save myself a little bit of headache when I'm out here multi-apping. Now, multi-apping is still gonna be your best bet, right? It's still gonna be your best bet to make the most amount of money in the hour, but you wanna make sure you're doing it the right way and being, reasonable about it. So who is this order for? Let's see, it's for Terrence. Let's just go on up in here and see if they got it ready real quick. Like I said, this ain't the best Taco Bell in the world, but they may be able to do something. They got something ready. Is this for Terrence? Yep, it sure is. Perfect. Oh, I guess they had this one ready. Nice. That's even better. That's basically the perfect scenario right there. Order ready to go. We good. Let's go ahead and get this in the hot bag and get up out of here. Alright, we just made it to Walmart. They tried to play me, man. They canceled the order because they had one of them weird pickup times, right? So they canceled the order on me, but then I was able to get it back, so we winning. I got it back. They let me check in, so now I'm making sure my back seat all the way ready and set up, so we be good to go. 2 delivery totes back here, like that. Hold on. Yep. Then if you come on over here to the side. Alrighty, we dropping off the next order. This one is the second drop off on this order. Let's go ahead and leave you right here. Alright, let's drop off the last part of this order. First hour down, 32 bucks. Let's get it. Hopefully I get something good next. Let's go ahead. I got a feeling they're gonna send me one right away. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Nope, looks like I ain't getting nothing right away. Let's head back to the Walmart. So I just got an order on Grubhub. $13. No, not Grubhub. Uber Eats. $13.80 for 8 miles at 54th Street. And we are here now. And Doordash also just sent me an order. We got $7.75 for 7 miles. Yeah, I won't be taking that. That's a decline. But I am looking the Moti app though. So we're gonna see if they send me something acceptable. Walmart Spark didn't send me my next order yet. So I said, you know what? Let's keep these wheels rolling. I'll do this Uber Eats. Then see if I can get a new Walmart Spark order. Next up, we at the Granite City Walmart for this one. Well, I appreciate that. You did that?
I didn't mean to.
Well, I mean, it only took off $1. So I ain't tripping. It
okay.
works for me. So what, you want to give me that other order too then? You can take them off, but you can't give them back.
Well, look.
So y'all can take money away from us, but y'all can't give us no money. And okay, $24.90. Yeah. Yeah, I got all the power. I had 3 customers. I dropped the 3rd customer because they was going all the way to St. Louis. I don't do that. And then I was pulling up and then it said, hey, another customer been dropped. I go, oh, that never happened before. At least it was just $1. Could have been worse. This one originally came in at $20 for like 7 miles or something. Nah, not happening. Canceled the 3rd customer. They was going all the way to St. Louis. I don't play that game. Then when I pulled up, it said $10 for 4 miles. Turns out the Walmart associates canceled even another customer. So now I got 1 customer, $9, 3 miles. Let's get it. That's a great miles to money ratio for me. And I just found out I need 4 more trips on Walmart Spark to get an extra $30 incentive. So we sitting at $22.45 on Uber Eats. And on Walmart Spark, we got $28.44 in unconfirmed tips, and then another $64.24 in confirmed earnings for the week and for the day. So just adding those 2 up right there, we got $28.44 plus 22. That'll give us what, $50 right there, maybe like 51. Then you add in that 64. So we sitting at about $114 on the day, and we've been out for 4 hours. Now I'm currently at Walmart right now, and I'm waiting to see if I'm gonna get another round robin order. They send out them round orders about 15 to 20 minutes on the hour. So if I can get 1 more of those before I head home for lunch, that'll be the perfect scenario, because I'm trying to get this last incentive. You get an extra $30 if you get 21 trips completed. So I was really hoping that I was going to be able to get that. Let's see. So as of right now, I got a new offer. See, I need 3 more trips. Looks like we got $10.43 for 2.6 miles. Yes, sir. I will take that. Perfect. That was the best possible scenario for this, because I was gonna have to wait for the round robin drop, and those orders usually drop at the 20-minute mark, and they don't come out until the 45-minute mark. So now I get to go ahead and keep my wheels rolling, and I'm gonna knock this one out, and then I'm gonna only need 2 more trips after this in order to hit that full incentive. And that's gonna give me an additional $30, and I'm gonna be able to fill up the gas tank with that right there. All right, we back on the road now. That order was already picked up by somebody else, so I basically pulled up for no reason. Now, I did get $6 in pay for pulling up, at least arriving for the delivery, but I wasted a bunch of time. I'm heading back to the crib now. It's lunch break time, guys, but we sitting at $124 for the first 4 hours. Time is now 2:44. Been out since 10:30, so 4 hours and 15 minutes, and I got like a 10-minute drive back to the crib. Maybe I'll come back out for another shift later on. Still need 3 more trips. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, so that I can give you a $10 bill.
All right, cool. Watch that for me. How's it look?
Good.
No, I got it.
It's getting recorded.
Oh, it's locked. There we go. There we go. How much I owe you, boss?